In this video, we'll show you how to transfer files from a PC or a laptop to your iPhone. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Let's get started. First, open a web browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account, or create one if you don't have one yet. Once you're signed in, click on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner and select Drive. Next, click on the New button in the top left corner and choose New Folder. You can name the folder whatever you like, then click Create. After the folder is created, double-click to open it. Now, click the New button again in the top left and select File Upload. Select the files you want to transfer from your computer, then click Open to begin uploading them to Google Drive. Once the upload is complete, grab your iPhone. To access the files, you'll need the Google Drive app. Head to the App Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom and search for Drive. Download and open the app. When you open Google Drive, make sure to sign in with the same Google account. Tap Files at the bottom right and find the folder you created earlier. Now, press and hold on one of the files. And you can either select all the files by tapping Select All in the top right or choose specific files. Once you've made your selection, tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Download. Finally, go to the Files app on your iPhone, and you'll find the downloaded files in the location where you saved them. Mine are in the On My iPhone section.